Walmart. And we are looking. Hope everybody had a good one. Good holidays. Thank you for, what is that? Subscribing. And thank you for leaving your comments. If there's anything that you want to see that you're looking for, or that you know you have that I should see, let me know. If you have a YouTube channel too, let me know. And you know, I'll subscribe. Oh, this is a nice piece. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so nice. Nice road grader, right? Look at that. Good details on this thing. This is from Matchbox. Man, so good graphics, good details. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. We got a SWAT, like the SWAT truck too. Nice SWAT truck. Alright, on to Hot Wheels now. Got the 50th anniversary. Man, look at that. They're gone. All we have is the Ford. I was hoping for the gasser, man, but no gasser. No gasser. Oh, shoot. For a second, I thought I had a super there. Let me focus there. For a second, I thought I had a super there. Got me excited for a little bit there. Got this Batman drawings here. What is that? Alright. Ford. Oh man, Walmart. We need to get going, Walmart. We need to do something for us over here on the East Coast. Come on, make it happen. Alright, looks like that's it for now. They've got some stuff here. I don't know what that is. These are Adventure Force. This is some sort of different brand here. Trying to lock this here in place, but I think they kind of like messed it up because it does not want to stay there. Trying to keep that crock in there. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Happy hunting, guys. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video. Subscribe, leave comments, leave suggestions. We're hunting, we're looking. If we find, we find. If we don't find, we still upload the videos because we want you to see it live right then and there if we find something. Right? So, alright guys, catch you on the next video.